Okay, specification point one is about the principal page, the search page, and the links for image search and advanced search. Have here the links, is the image search. We can come back to search page, then we can go to advanced search, and here, or again, we can come back to the search page. This is the specification point one. The next specification point, the two, is about to query, to type in the bar, for example, Gruminion, click the Google search button, and we are redirected to the Google search page with the Gruminion words in the bar. Sorry, those are the results for the Gruminion. Okay. Specification point 3 is about the image search functionality. We can again query, type in the bar, for example, Gruminion, click the Google image search button, and we're redirected to the Google search page for images. These are the results in the Google page. Specification point 4 is about the advanced search. We have, for example, again, Gruminion. We want all these words, Gruminion. For example, we want the phrases meaningful sense, for example. Or for example, we want Lucy or ball, for example, and we don't want any of these words, for example, devil and tiger, for example. We type in the button, and we're related to the Google search page with the words Gruminion, Lucy or ball, all of those. This phrase is meaningful sense, and we don't want the words devil and tiger. Again, this is the results. Okay, specification point 6 5 is about stacking vertically the inputs in the master search. It's okay. Specification point 6 is about the I'm feeling lucky button. If I type GRU in the bar and click the I'm feeling lucky, we are redirected with the warnings. And specification point 7 is about the style. Style, for example, we have the PNG, the logo, the Google logo. We have the hover in the bar. We have the hover in the buttons. We have the style in the links in the upper right. In image search, we have the same style, hover effects, centering vertically, horizontally. And in the advanced search, we have the red title, the upper left logo, the Google logo. We have the outline, for example, the outline when inputs are focused, the style of the button, and that's all. Thank you very much.